UAE Worksheets. Today we're learning about double-digit addition. Addition is putting numbers together to make a bigger number. Here is an example of addition. Bella has 2 strawberries. She gets 2 more strawberries. Now we have the addition question 2 plus 2. When we add the numbers together 2 plus 2 together, we get 4 as the total answer. Now, Bella has 4 strawberries. This was an example of addition because we put 2 numbers together to make a bigger number. Double-digit numbers are just bigger numbers with 2 numbers. A number in the ones column and the tens column. Examples of double-digit numbers are 12, 35, 49, and 78. Notice how each number has 2 numbers? Now let's learn how to add double-digit numbers. Adding 2-digit numbers can be easy if we break it down. There are 2 easy steps to follow. Step 1, add the numbers in the ones place. Step 2, add the numbers in the tens place. That's it, in 2 easy steps you can add double-digit numbers. For example, let's add 13 plus 24. First, look only at the ones column. You can cover up the other column with your finger or a piece of paper. In the ones column, we have 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Be sure to write our answer 7 on the bottom, on the ones side. Next, let's look only at the tens side. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3, so let's write 3 at the bottom on the tens side. Now we have our final answer of 37. 13 plus 24 equals 37. Let's practice. Here we have 35 plus 22. First, look only at the ones column. Cover up the other side. In the ones column, we have 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 equals 7. We will write our answer, 7, at the bottom, on the ones side. Next, let's look at the tens side. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5, so let's write 5 at the bottom on the tens side. Now we have our final answer of 57. 35 plus 22 equals 57. Here we have 24 plus 15. First, look only at the ones column. Cover up the other side with your finger or a piece of paper. In the ones column, we have 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Let's write our answer, 9, at the bottom, on the ones side. Next, let's look at the tens side. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3, so let's write 3 at the bottom on the tens side. Now we have our final answer of 39. 24 plus 15 equals 39. Now we have the question 46 plus 21. Let's look only at the ones column first. Cover up the other side and pay attention to only the ones column. In the ones column, we have 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Let's write our answer, 7, on the bottom of the ones side. Next, let's look at the tens side. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6, so let's write 6 at the bottom on the tens side. Now we have our final answer of 67. 46 plus 21 equals 67. For our next question, we have 52 plus 40. Look at the ones column. Remember to cover up the other side and only focus on the ones column. In the ones column, we have 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 equals 2. It stays 2 because 0 does not add anything to it. Our answer, 2, goes on the bottom, on the ones side. Now, let's look only at the tens side. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9, so let's write 9 at the bottom on the tens side. Now we have our final answer of 92. 52 plus 40 equals 92. Great job! Before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to UAE Worksheets. Don't forget to check out our other videos and leave us a comment about what you learned today.